Hello, enchanted ones. Do you have a place where you can go to, where all of your troubles are left behind, where the only thing that matters is now, not the past, nor the future? Well, there is a place that does this for me. This place inspires me so much, but it is not only the place as a whole that inspires me. It is little gems hidden within, whether it be the fallen trunk, the trickling stream, or the tree stumps covered with moss and ivy. Everything looks perfectly imperfect, and I wanted to be able to be taken back to it every day. And the only way to do this was to start big. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Alwyn Oak. So, my mission this week was to create this beautiful fir forest on a huge canvas in my home. I have never done anything of this sheer size before, but I allowed myself to believe I could do it. I had seen all the Bob Ross episodes I could, so using a few of his tips, I had confidence I could pull it off. I started the picture with the background. I then added the little brook. In the distance, I added little fir trees that would be the furthest away. I then drew silhouettes of the huge fir trees to get a rough idea of their placement, and afterwards decided the sun would be setting in the west, so shaded the trees accordingly. But what I thought really made this picture pop was the light rays that shone through the forest's canopy, highlighting the forest's floor. After I completed the picture, I was so overwhelmed with the result. I couldn't believe what happened. I was transported back to my place. Everything in this picture has a meaning to me. The fallen tree, where I like to ponder the world. The babbling brook, where my thoughts are washed away by the sound of the water flowing. The height of the trees that always have me guessing where the very tops lie. And lastly, the stillness. Thank you for watching, Enchanted Ones. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments if you have a place like this that inspires you. I encourage you to bring memories or pictures of this place inside, so that on a stressful or rainy day, you'll be taken back to that place of clear-mindedness, of tranquility, where nothing matters. All my love, Alwyn.